Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi my dear students. For today's lesson, please get your Get Smart Plus 3 textbook and please turn to page 61. Awesome Apps ialah sebuah platform digital yang mengarus perdanakan pembelajaran digital untuk semua pelajar Malaysia dari tahun 1 hingga tingkatan 5. Inisiatif pembelajaran digital selepas sekolah ini memberi peluang kepada pelajar untuk membuat rujukan dan latihan dengan lebih efisien dan menyeronokkan. Pelajar-pelajar juga berpeluang memenangi hadiah menarik setiap minggu. Jadi apa tunggu lagi? Download Awesome Revision Apps sekarang untuk mendapatkan akses percuma, nota-nota pembelajaran dan latihan dari guru-guru hebat seluruh Malaysia. We will read about Tony's favorite food. Before we read, let's identify some food in the picture. So the biggest food here is pizza. Next we have chocolate. Next we have ice cream. Below there we have bananas, pineapples, and biscuits. Well done. So which one of these food is your favorite? I love bananas because it's yummy and healthy. Let's read about Tony's favorite foods. We'll start with the title. Please remember to point to the words with your finger while reading. Let's read the title first. My favorite food. Please read together and repeat after me. I love pizza. It's my favorite food. There isn't any cheese or tomato on my pizza. There aren't any onions or peppers. There is some chocolate, some ice cream, some banana, and some pineapple. There are also some chocolate biscuits. It's delicious. Now, let's read together. My favorite food. I love pizza. It's my favorite food. There isn't any cheese or tomato on my pizza. There aren't any onions or peppers. There is some chocolate, some ice cream, some banana, and some pineapple. There are also some chocolate biscuits. It's delicious. Next, I'd like you to focus on punctuation or tanda baca. So the punctuation that I'd like you to focus today is the comma. Okay, look at the symbol comma here. It's down below on page 61. Okay, look at the writing tips. We use commas and to write a list of things in a sentence. For example, there is some chocolates, comma, some ice cream, comma, some banana, and some pineapple. So before and, you don't have to put comma because we have the word and already. Next, please take out your E1 exercise book and please write the day and the dates for today on the top. Today is Monday, 26 July 2021. Write the title, My Favorite Food. You don't need to draw the picture, this one no need. Just write down the passage below here from I love pizza until it's delicious. Please remember to leave a line. Selang satu baris. And you need to notice the punctuation. Okay, whenever you find punctuation, for example, full stop, berhenti pun tanda baca. Full stop also the punctuation. So you need to underline. Okay, I love pizza, full stop. So underline the full stop because the full stop is punctuation. It's my favorite food. Full stop, underline the full stop. There isn't any cheese or tomato on my pizza. Full stop again, underline. There aren't any onions or peppers. Okay, underline. Full stop. There is some chocolate, comma. Okay, here's comma. Underline comma. Okay, or maybe comma we should circle comma. Some ice cream, comma. Some banana, and also you should circle the word and. Some pineapple, and you find full stop here, underline the full stop. There are also some chocolate biscuits, underline the full stop. It's delicious, this is an exclamation mark, just underline the exclamation mark because it's also punctuation. Alright everyone, that's all for today. For extra quizzes on this topic, please download Awesome Revision apps and follow MadamAt at Awesome by clicking on the link paste in the description box below. Please support my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and share the goods with others. Last word from me, be the best version of yourself. Bye!